Today I'll be unboxing the 2025 Disney Mystery Pins. This is the first video that I'm recording in 2025, so I thought it would be great to start the year off with 2025 dated mystery pins. So these were released in November of 2024, and they are available in the parks for $22.99 per box, and there are 2 pins in each box. This is an open edition collection, so it'll be around for a while. With these dated ones, they'll be there in the parks all year long. So even if you go in December of 2025, you'll still be able to buy these mystery pins. This is an 8-pin collection, and the pin designs we can get are Cheshire Cat, Tinkerbell, Tigger, Kermit the Frog, Goofy, Stitch, young Simba, and Dumbo. So let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 5 boxes here to open up, which is 10 pins total. I would like to complete this entire collection, but if I can't do that in this video, the ones I would like the most are Cheshire Cat, Tinkerbell, and Simba. So those are the ones I'm looking for here. I did get these 5 boxes on the Disney Store website, and they were $19.99 per box. So a little discount there over what they are in the parks. We'll see what they look like here. Got the 2 pins in the bags. Let's get into pin 1. So we're starting the year off with Tigger. So we have Tigger, and I think all of these are similar. They say 2025 down the left side of the pin, and we have Tigger, which has his hand around the 0. Super cool. They are silver tone finish. All right, that is pin 1. See who we get next. It's a very skinny one from the back, and this one is Tinkerbell. Nice. So we got one of the ones I was looking for. So same 2025, and Tinkerbell is leaning, looks like she's leaning on the second 2 and against the 0 there. Very cool. All right, get into box 2. And as I said before, these will be around in the parks all year long, so you don't have to feel like if I don't complete the collection, I don't have to go run out and get them all, because they'll be around all year long. And our 3rd pin from the back, this one looks like it has a little handle. I wonder what that handle would be. And it is Simba. The little handle is his tail. So Simba's sitting next to the 2025, and his tail goes behind the 5 and then over to a little bit in front of the 2. That's pretty cool. All right, so we got Tinkerbell and Simba. The other one I wanted was Cheshire Cat. See if we can get that one. Pin 4. This one is a thick one from the back, and this one is Stitch. So Stitch is up on his hands, so he's kind of upside down there, and he has his hand going around the second 2 in 2025. Very cool. So we got 4 out of the 8. Hey, we're halfway. Halfway is good. Let's get beyond halfway though. Let's see. Into box 3 here, and this will be pin number 5. And looking at the back, it's upside down, but this looks very familiar. And I think we have this one. And it is another Tigger. Tigger. Is this one gonna be Tinkerbell? It's not. You can tell, because Tinkerbell's really thin, and this one's not thin. So, whew, we avoided a duplicate box. All right, and this one's a really thick one. Oh, we had Stitch who was thick. Is this another Stitch? It's not. It's Cheshire Cat. Awesome. So we got the other one that I wanted. So we have Cheshire Cat, and he is in front of the 5 there at the bottom, and then he has his hand around the 0. So he is also a really wide one. Okay, hey, we made it past halfway. All right. Let's see. Getting into box number 4. Let's see if we can get a little closer here. What is this, pin 7? Pin 7, it is a skinnier one, but the bottom looks a little different than the rest. So I think this is a new one. And it is Kermit the Frog. Awesome, you don't see him on a lot of different pins, so that's pretty cool. And Kermit, he has his hand going around the top 2. Very nice. And this one here, looking at pin 8. This one, very familiar again. I think it might be another Tigger. So we're getting a lot of Tiggers here. All right, we're down to our last box. What do we have? We have 6, so we can still complete the collection here if these are the 2 that I'm missing, which is Dumbo and Goofy. So we're looking for Dumbo and Goofy here. Let's see what we get. And this one looks familiar from the back. And it's not, because it's Goofy. All right, we have Goofy, and Goofy looks like he's gonna run right by the 2025, and his foot is way up high on the other side of the 0. Nice. That looked from the back, it looked just like one of the other ones, but it was not. So I'm only missing one, and it is Dumbo. Come on, Dumbo. Will this be Dumbo? It is very thick. I think we've seen this one, and it is another Cheshire Cat. So we did get another duplicate there, but hey, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of the 8. That is awesome. That's a good way to start 2025. So those were the 2025 Disney Mystery Pins. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite here, and if you collect dated mystery pins or just dated pins in general. I have a rule for myself, and I said it I think a few times on this channel, where I don't purchase dated pins unless I'm in the parks that year. So I kind of broke my own rule here because I have not been to the parks in 2025 yet, and I already purchased 2025 pins. But I'm thinking about it kind of in reverse. So since I broke my rule, I have like 11 months to not break my rule. So 11 and a half months to get to Disneyland or Disney World. So I'll have to tell my family that, sorry guys, I messed up and we have to go to Disneyland. Oh, we'll see how that goes, right? So this was a great unboxing for me, getting 7 out of the 8. So I'm only missing one, which is Dumbo. And like I said at the beginning of this video, these will be around in the parks all year long, so I'm in no rush to find Dumbo or buy Dumbo on eBay or anything like that. So I do have one other box. I have a 6th box of these. I saved 1 box for Instagram, so I'll do a quick video there to see if maybe we get Dumbo. I know in one of the Christmas unboxing videos, that worked. I got the one I needed out of that 6th box, but then the other one I didn't. So we'll see. This video I had kind of like dressed up Mickey back here, like Tuxedo Mickey or something. So maybe he brought the luck. So I'll keep him around for a little while, and maybe he can bring some luck for the next unboxing too. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.